I cannot think of a good reason as to why you would want to be able to learn how to do this. You're going to quickly establish yourself upon the floor. Once you're on the floor, you're going to take one leg with both hands. You're going to place it on top of one leg. From there, you're going to take your other leg and place it on top of the other leg. Therefore, you're in the lotus position. Of course, we want to try doing it with both sides. Now, if your knees start bugging you, this may not be for you right now. Save it for later. Forget about it. But if you're okay with this and you're getting to this position and it starts to feel relatively comfortable, you don't need to lean upon something, but it might help. So enter the lotus position again. From here, you're going to lay backwards. It will be a lot easier to move your leg up and down from this position. From here, without using your hands, unfold it. To the best of your abilities, try to bring your leg back up. It will not happen that smooth. It'll probably happen like that. A lot of times you will hit your shin with your heel, and that's not good. So you may have to protect your shin using your hands, and therefore you just simply hit your hands. And it's not as bad, but of course you want to try. If you're unable to, slightly assist your feet just very slowly. Once you're here, start doing this walk of shame, and then bring it right back down. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, is doing that really gonna allow me to be able to do the lotus like this very easily? And the answer is yes. Do you see this motion that I'm doing right now? What we're doing right there is a very slow, dumb version of it. Eventually, once you become good enough, it happens like this. It then happens like this. It then happens like that. Good luck. Now I'm just here to tell you 20-30 minutes a day, every day, and you should have it within 2 weeks, honestly.